Just do it. Don't put yourself in that box that society has created that says that women don't belong in the construction industry. Knowledge is power in this industry. So get educated, get certified, and get to work.
Take advantage of some of the natural gifts that you have, such as patience, common sense, and the ability to be efficient. When exhibiting these traits, you bring a presence to a task that is difficult and challenging and hard to come by. This will gain much trust with the insured and the company that you work for.
To learn the trade. Even if you think you're going to be managing the business or owning the business, you need to understand what happens out in the field. And you do that through educating yourself and earning your certifications. You need to get involved in associations. Leave this industry better than you found it. You can do that through volunteering with organizations like the RIA. Build relationships with other restorers. Make sure that you have a strong network of people that you can reach out to, not if it gets hard, but when it gets hard, because it's going to. You need friends in the industry that you can call when you need help problem solving, and just make sure that you have people that you support as well. And so if you're going to be managing the business, I think it's important for everyone, but especially managing this business, to find your passion and your purpose and know exactly what it is that you were put on this earth to do, and then do it every day.
Do it. There's nothing holding you back. You get to experience more of life. You get to meet fascinating people. And more, this is going to be the way that the world works. People helping out people. So do it. Get involved.
The diversity of the industry itself. I love working with all the people, seeing them grow, seeing them bring different backgrounds and skills to the table that lend themselves to a successful career in restoration. Most people don't grow up thinking they're going to be restorers. So people come with different previous training and experiences, and they all come together in our industry to make us amazing restorers. Find your own inner confidence. It can be intimidating both in the things we have to learn and do, and also some of the people can be a little overwhelming or intimidating. Find mentors and people that will encourage you and support you. And don't discount your own strengths, your previous experience, and the special things that you're bringing to your new career in restoration.
One, always be open to learning new ways of doing things. And don't ever think that just because something's been done some way all these years, that that's the way it has to be done. Maybe there's a better way, and you can innovate that, whether it's a software program, just a way of doing things, or a piece of equipment in the industry. Don't ever be afraid to question. In fact, question everything. And the second thing that I would say to our next generation of women is, there is truly no calling that you can answer by coming into this industry where you will have a greater impact, I feel, on your community and others. And there is a very large need in our industry. I've been saying it for over a decade, and it's still true today, for strong, caring, able women to come in and bring that kind of love and compassion to this industry. And yeah, it's a great place to be, and it's a place where the sky's the limit.
Be confident in yourself and your abilities. Negative people and thoughts may bombard you at times, but you have to remain focused on your goals and push forward even in the face of adversity. It doesn't matter what other people think. You have to believe in yourself.
Do it. I mean, we are a force to be reckoned with. There's so much pride and joy you get from this industry. You get to help people, you get to put people back in their homes, you get to organize, you get to multitask, you get fulfillment every single day, no matter what you're doing.
Go get real world experience. Get out in the field, understand exactly how remediation or restoration, mitigation, cleaning is performed and completed. The best teacher for me is experience. There's some great folks out there who've taught me a lot, and I've taken some wonderful classes, but nothing has been as good a teacher to me as getting out there and actually doing the work.
Kill them with competence. Ladies, we have to be smart, we have to be sharp, we've got to know our stuff. And if you don't have a robust component of knowing your stuff and have good industry knowledge experience, you're going to struggle getting up the ladder and doing well. So do what you need to do to educate yourself. Never walk away malicious, but ambitious. So we're not going to win out all the deals. We're not going to be able to do well. We're going to get knocked down. use that into creating ambition to improve yourself, and make sure that you win on the next round. Be courageous, not common. It's not a bad thing you're a female. Own it, stand out from the crowd. Take advantage of it. Be the workhorse, not the unicorn. Put the work in, put the time in, and you'll succeed. Be a rule breaker, risk taker, and money maker. I think women are good at all three of those.
Never too soon. It's never too late. Frankly, I wish I had started sooner. Learn to drive a hammer, a forklift, a team, yourself, and there's great opportunity and job satisfaction in the trades. Women are a rarity, and wouldn't you rather be a unicorn than a guppy? If you're great at what you do, you'll be recognized and celebrated, and this award is an example of that. And we're very grateful for this award and many others like it for women in the industry and in trades in general.
Restoration is an exciting field, which provides for a rewarding career. Women power, go girls, you can do it.